you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some products by Sydney Grace. Well, actually, I got 3 different mystery boxes. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my order from Sydney Grace just arrived yesterday, actually. So I get to sit down and open this up, and I'm super, super excited. They always do a really amazing sale in July for Christmas in July. And one of the things they do is bring out some mystery boxes. And you know, your girl is a huge mystery hoe. I love some mystery boxes. Sometimes it doesn't even matter like what it is. It's like, I just want it because it is a mystery. So I think it was last year and maybe the year before. And Rena from Boxes and Deals is who originally turned me on to this company. I never even heard of them before until she told me. So thanks to her, I am now loving this company. So they did some mystery boxes. This time there was several different options. They were all $35 each. The day that I purchased, there was actually, I think it was over $60 or $70 purchase. You got a free mystery bag. So I got 3 of them, and one of them I got completely free. So that's awesome. So again, they were all $35 each, and the choices you could choose was the pink in deep or in light. And that means there will be a few shadows that'll go more towards like the deeper tones or the lighter tones. So whichever one you get to choose, if you want deep or light. Some of the stuff would be exactly the same, but then there'll be a few probably like shadows or something like that. That would be a different color variation as far as the lighter deep. And then there is the orange, which is all shadows. And there was the black box, which is the fragrance, and you can choose one of 3, either floral, sweet, or warm. And then there was a black cream products, either light or deep. And currently both of those, the cream products, are sold out, but the light and the deep pink, the all shadows, and all 3 of the fragrances, as of right now, are still available, $35 each. So if you want to check them out, go check them out. Grab a mystery box if you would like. I did get 3. I got the fragrance in the sweet, because I think that was a sweet one that I got. I got the all shadows, and then I got the pink in the deep tone, not the light tone. So again, I'm really excited to see what is going to be now in each one. How cute they come down in those little boxes. So what you see online is exactly how they come. That is so cool. So here we have all 3 of the aren't those just so cute? Oh my gosh, those are adorable. And you always do get a free little product when you order from them, and it looks like I got 2 free shadows. That's awesome. Let me go ahead and just show you these 2 free ones that came. And I don't know, oh yeah, I forgot, all of them are on the back of the actual shadow itself to know the color. So this one looks like it says it's a matte Infinite Echoes is what it looks like it says. And it's like this burgundy color. Oops. There you go. That is really, really pretty. I don't think I have that color. I do have one small here that is full, and then I have this one larger one of hers. So I'm gonna take the blush and the highlighter and put it in the smaller one and just fill this with shadows only. But I wanted to make sure, because if it's colors that I already have, then I'll save for you guys. This one's close, but this one's Prairie Smoke. So it doesn't look like I have that color, which is awesome because I love getting new colors and I love her formulas. And the second one is a Plumosus. Plumosus is what it looks like. I need my glasses. And it's like looks like it has like a green kind of hue to it, like a greenish gray. Let's see, do I have you? Yes, I do. So this one is right here. It's like this green color. Yeah, so that will go to one of you guys. I'm so excited. So let's start with the pink. And again, I got this one in the deep. You could choose light or deep, but I just love these little boxes. That's so cute. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. And these boxes have like little magnetic, so you can literally reuse these boxes. They're really nice boxes, so I would definitely reuse them. Here's a little sneak peek to down inside of the pink box. So the first thing right on top says that it is a Valiant Defender, but I don't know what kind of product it is because it doesn't say. I'm not sure because it looks like it's like a goldish color that you can see inside of this band right there. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I'll try to search that color on their website and see if I can find it and show you right here what it actually is. But it looks like I'm probably gonna put this in a future giveaway because it looks like it's like a goldish type color, whatever it is. And that's just not my color. Anyway, so I will save this for one of you guys. Now we have all of these shadows right here. This one says Butterfly's Whisper, Chipmunk's Treasure, Jelly Bean Dreams, Sprinkles. This one is super pretty. It's like a light lavender. It's called Rock Candy. And Sugar Rush Madness. So actually all of those shadows I don't have because I looked at mine first. So that's cool. I have all new shadows to add. And then there's these two right here, which I'm going to assume one is a highlighter and one is a blush. I will put these both in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. I don't do much with blush or like these goldy type highlighters. So this one here is called Jelly Jamboree. And it's like a orangish, peachish, coppery kind of color. And it says highlighter. Yes, so it does say highlighter on this one. And then the blush, I will gladly save this for one of you guys. And it's called Peach Ring. And yes, it does say blush right on it. So those two plus this guy will go in a future giveaway with that one free shadow because I already have that one. So that is everything that came down in the pink box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single shadows, one highlighter, one blush, and then whatever this one here is. So that's everything in the pink. Let's go ahead with the orange. This is all shadows. Again, they're all the same price, $35 each, and one of them I got free. That's so cool. And same thing, has the magnetic closure box. You have tissue paper. There's 12 total single shadows down inside of this package. So let's go ahead and just start showing you what's in here. So the first one says that it is Firefox, and I don't have like this goldy type color. So here's Firefox, Secret Garden. This is a really pretty blue. Twilight Castle, Royal Enchantment, Frosted Kingdom, Panther's Prowl, Parrot's Echo, Truffle Toffee, Tiger Stripes, Bengal Beauty, Otter Song, and then Eagle's Flight. So that is all of the shadows that came down in the shadow only orange mystery box. So now let's go ahead and open up the black fragrance box. Again, I believe I got the not floral, the sweet, because I didn't want to risk any rose, so I went with sweet. And again, I love that you can just use these boxes for anything, and they're all the same size. So you have 6 different scents. Let's go with the first one, Sparkling Pink. They all come down in this type of a container. I love these because you can always toss these in your purse, put them inside of your glove compartment in your car, have them just sitting anywhere. Like, they're just small little things, and then you just twist it up, and then you have the top, and then you can actually pull this out and replace it with another one if you wanted to, but you can see this one is completely full. and it just says sparkling pink. There is a tag on the bottom. And, ooh, that smells good. I was like, I'm gonna spray the box, but I already sprayed it in the air. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so there's, that smell, I don't even know how to describe that scent, but it smells really good. So this one is going to be, I definitely need my glasses. Luminary is what I think it says. For some reason, I'm smelling like pepper. That one, I like the other one way better, but that one does still smell kind of good. It kind of has like a, I don't know why, but I'm smelling a little like pepper in there. This one here says My Vision. That one does smell good. I still like the first one the best so far, but that one does smell good. This one's not as strong of a scent. And of course, they all smell completely different. This one here says Berry Eclipse. So let's smell this one. Oh, that one smells really good. That definitely smells like berries. Oh, that one does smell really good. So I still like the first one best, but that is my second runner up as far as, you know, what I'm smelling so far. Two more left. This one here says Pink Reserve. Oh, that one smells really good. That one does smell really good. That one does smell really good. That's a toss-up between my second runner-up, between those last two, the berry one and that one. And then the last one here says Feather Touch. I don't know if it's just because I have all these other smells. I'm not picking up a whole lot on this one for some reason, but I think it's because I have all these other smells now in the air. Yeah, I'm not really smelling anything on that one. I just can't pick up what that one smells like, but here are the 6 different scents. I'm so glad that I got that because, oh my goodness, this first one is my favorite, which is the sparkling pink, and then the berry and the Pink Reserve. Those 3 are my all-time favorite out of all 6 of them. So that is everything for the fragrance box. All right, you guys, so that now completes my order for the 3 different mystery boxes. I'm super, super excited that I got them. I love the fragrances. Plus, like I said, I love just tossing them down in my purse. They're the perfect little size. I love all of the new shadow colors. All of them are completely different, except the one that came in the freebie that I already have, which is perfectly fine because I'm saving that with the highlighter and the blush for one of you guys to enjoy. And that other product and everything else I will be enjoying myself, which is absolutely amazing. And I cannot believe I got one of these for free. So I only paid for 2 of them. That's even a better bonus. So just an update, I realized I have not even edited this video whatsoever, but I did buy another one of the palettes, the empty magnetic palette, so I can separate my shimmers versus like my mattes and do 2 different ones of her shadows. So I have the magnetic palette, and of course, they even threw in some free shadows. Like, it's amazing. Like, every order, it's like you get something free. And they totally do not need to do that. But look at this beautiful green color. I'll look and see if I have this color already. And if so, then obviously I'll put this in a future giveaway. You guys know it. But that is a beautiful green. And then look at how beautiful like this mauve plumish kind of color is here. Like a burgundy almost. Super, super pretty. But I will check out those colors and see if I already have them. But here is same one that I have, that I can put all my shadows down here and get them all nice and organized. I'm so excited. And now I've had time to rearrange everything. So now in this one, I have the highlighter with the 2 blush where I used to have all of the shadows. And in both of these is all of my shadows. So this first one is all of the mattes. Now they're all nice and organized. And then in the second one, I have all of the shimmers. Both of them have room to grow, so I can continue growing my Sydney Grace collection. But wanted to show you that's how I organized all 3 palettes. So definitely let me know, do you have anything by Sydney Grace? Did you ever know about Sydney Grace? Have you ever got a mystery box? Again, they are still available, except those 2 that have the cream products are the only ones that are currently sold out. You can definitely snag one of them. Why they still have them available, it's every July in the middle that they do this for the Christmas in July. So you can always follow them on their Instagram and they will tell you all about it. That's where you get your spoilers. That's where you know what day is for what sale. The other day you got a free palette. There was like a $50-something palette you got for free if you spent so much. So every day is like a different deal. And it's just absolutely amazing. So I'm so glad that I get to show you 3 of the different mystery boxes. Let me know what would be your favorite, what would be your favorite item out of them, which box would be your favorite out of the 3. Definitely let me know down below. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show. Don't forget to let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.